Good morning, everyone. My dog is eating his breakfast in the background, but he's almost done. He's being a little loud. All right, so today what you're going to do is you are going to focus on just this introduction part of your essay. So, Ralphie, so if you remember from yesterday, we looked at this model essay about the theme, do something meaningful. Now he's drinking his water. Okay, I think he's done. So again, we really looked closely at this yesterday. We know that this paragraph is called the introduction paragraph. The second paragraph is proof paragraph 1. We have proof paragraph 2. And then we have our conclusion. You know this order from all the essays we've written in class. So what we're focusing on today from our I Can statement is the introduction paragraph. Okay, so let's go through this. What is the introduction? What is this very first part about? So let's read it, and then I want you to tell me, what is it about? The Hope Chest by Karen Schwabach is a story about a girl called Violet who runs away from home to find her sister Chloe. Chloe is working on getting women the right to vote in Tennessee. One of the themes of this book is that it is important to do something meaningful. In this book, both Chloe and Violet take risks in order to do something meaningful with their lives. All right, so what is this very first part of this essay about? Go. Okay, so yes, it's like an overview, kind of a little summary, a little short gist of the Hope Chest. Okay, so remember, we start by introducing the text, and then we do a short gist. The cool part is when you write your own paragraph, you can take this part because this gist is the same. It's a story about a girl called Violet who runs away from home to find her sister Chloe. Chloe is working on getting women the right to vote in Tennessee. If you want to change any of it, just go for it. But if I were you, I'd make it easy on myself and just use that. And then we have our green part. Remember, our green is the focus statement. And it says, one of the themes of this book is that it is important to do something meaningful. You wrote your focus statement yesterday. The focus statement states the theme, okay? And then we have points 1 and points 2. And here's what we didn't talk about a lot yesterday, okay? Points 1 and points 2 are about 2 characters in the Hope Chest. So you need to be thinking right now, whatever your theme was that you chose yesterday, who are 2 characters that represent that theme? So do something meaningful. Chloe represents that theme, and Violet represent that theme because they're both taking risks to do something, right? So in this book, both Chloe, there's my point 1, and Violet, there's my point 2, take a risk in order to do something meaningful. You could choose any characters. You could say in this book, Mr. Martin and Myrtle take risks. You could say in this book, Violet and Myrtle. Any 2 characters that you feel that you could write about. Because then, point 1, this is all about Chloe. Point 2, this is all about Violet. Okay? So you'll write a paragraph and a paragraph about each of the characters that you choose. Okay? So let's do a quick review. We have our first part. What is the red part? It is our gist. Good. This green part is our focus statement. Good. And then we have our point 1 with our first character and our point 2 with our second character, Violet. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Google Classroom. There'll be another video on the next little assignment slide explaining what you're going to do there. But now it's your turn to go write one of these.